In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $600, $900, and $1,400 commissions all from the comfort of your home with a done-for-you digital business in a box. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine and a former monk, and now I just help everyday men and women build 6 and 7-figure businesses around their schedule. So I discovered this business in basically around early 2024. I launched my business after my company cut my pay in half. Basically my company cut my pay in half, and I decided I don't want to get another job. I want to figure out how to make money online. So I launched this business and I made multiple 5 figures with this business so far. So all you got to do is get started, set up your business one time. You plug into our community for training and support. And then you're following a simple 2-hour workday, doing things. All you're doing is posting content on social media. Basically, this is what you need to do. You can just post content, post videos on social media. Okay, you're attracting people, you're building your email list, and then the automations do the rest of the work for you. So you set your business up once, you plug into the community for ongoing training and support. We get daily millionaire mentoring, and we also get weekly live interactive millionaire mentoring inside of our community to help you build your business. And then you're just posting content and going live. You're attracting customers. It's attraction marketing. You're building your email list, and then the automations do the rest of the work for you. Okay, so that's it. So if you want to learn more about how to do this, then just go to 7figuremonk.com. The link is in my bio. Okay, just put your email in and then just check your spam and promotions folders, all the folders for the word blueprint, and then check out the information. There's a couple of videos you can watch the videos. And if you have any questions, you just got to reply to my emails. Okay, so now let me share my screen, and I'm going to show you exactly what this business looks like. So you can see how it looks. And yeah, if you have any questions about it, just let me know. Just drop it in the comments. Okay, so here we go. Let me share my screen. Here we go. So you're going to get a done for you sales funnel, right? Now, this is a capture page. Okay. So what I would recommend, we give you a capture page, without your picture, but I would recommend that you just put your picture in your capture page because you're building your brand, and I can help you with that if you can't figure it out. It's pretty simple, but basically this is a capture page, right? So I put my picture here, and what people do is if they go to my link, they're going to go here, then they're going to put their email in. Okay. And after they put their email in, it's going to take them through the rest of the sales funnel. Okay. Here's another one. We give you a couple different capture pages that you can use and test. So here's another capture page, and then they're going to go and they're going to watch one of these videos. Now this video is going to do the selling for you. Okay. The videos are there to do the selling for you. They watch one video and the video does the selling. Plus there's testimonials, there's wins from our community and here. Okay. And then they'll go here, and this is the website, right? Now the cool thing is you can edit everything. I went in and I kind of changed some of the colors. I kind of personalized it a little bit. So I don't have any tech skills, right? I don't have any tech skills, but it's pretty easy to figure out how to do all this stuff. Even with ChatGPT, ChatGPT can help you. If you want to go in and edit your website, that's what I did. I was ChatGPT, how do I edit my website? And it told me exactly what to do. Okay. So unlock 10 income streams today and earn 100% profit from a done for you digital business, right? So basically people start here and they go through your sales funnel, and then they'll go here, and this is where they can purchase one of the programs from you. Okay. So we get paid through PayPal, Stripe, Square, whatever payment processor you want to use. You just connect it to your website. Okay. And then they go and they pay and they purchase a program. And every time they purchase a program, you get paid instantly, and you get to keep 100% of the profit. See, unlock 10 income streams today and earn 100% profit from a done for you digital business, right? How would an extra $1,400 per day change your life? Think about it. How would that change your life, right? So do the math on that. 1,400 a day. If you learn the skills, it's a skill. Attracting customers, digital marketing, it's a skill. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay. This is a legitimate business. You're selling things online, which is e-commerce, and you're going to learn how to market. You're going to learn how to attract customers. So imagine if you learn how to attract a customer a day, that's $42,000 a month, $511,000 a year. That's life-changing income. Now you can't get that kind of income at your job, most people, right? And with this business, there's no monthly expenses, but with your job, you probably have monthly expenses. I read the average person in America, they spend $400 to $600 a month just on gas. Okay. So here's what the website looks like. Okay. People go here. You can check it out at 7figuremonk.com. I'm just showing you, this is what it looks like. Basically, this is done for you website already created for you. What makes us different from other people, we keep 100% of the profit. And you become a licensed reseller of the program. We have a certification training. We have over 57,000 people in our community now. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months when we first launched these programs, and we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So all you're doing is reselling these done for you digital programs in the e-learning industry. So e-learning industry is education, information, it's training. ebooks, courses, programs. So there's 10 programs, 5 in English and 5 in Spanish. So you can earn 100, 300, 600, 1400, 900, or $1,400 per sale. And these programs teach you everything about digital marketing, how to build an online business, and how to build multiple streams of income. That's what the programs teach. Okay. And then as a bonus, you get all these bonuses as well. Like, let me show you the bonuses. Here's your bio section, right? This is where you put in your pictures. This is when you put in your bio. Okay. And then, yeah, so you get all these bonuses too. Oh, this is where people can go and they can purchase one of the programs. They'll purchase either the 1400, the 900, okay, the 600, the 300, or the 100, right? They'll purchase the programs here. Okay. And then, yeah, so here's all your bonuses. Like, you also get access to our community where you get, you know, daily millionaire mentoring and weekly millionaire mentoring. So like, people spend a lot of money for coaching and mentoring, but you get it for free in our community. And then you get all these other bonus trainings, right? You can check it out at sevenfiguremonk.com. So like, there's like, we teach you how to create your own communities. We teach you how to create content with Canva. My first million in 17 months blueprint. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire faceless marketing, 200 digital product ideas. Okay. And yeah, that's basically the website. So you get how it works. So all you're doing is driving traffic. You're sending people to your sales funnel. Okay. So they start here. Well, they start here and they go through and then they end up here. Like, that's the goal. Like, the end, like you want to reverse engineer. Like, when you're posting content, the goal is to get people to go to your page and purchase one of the programs, right? So what happened, like, so once you purchase, like, if you want to get started with this business, all you have to do is purchase one of the programs. It doesn't matter which program you purchase, but you can only earn at the level you're at, right? So if you're at the $1,400 level, for example, you can only earn at the $1,400 level and below. Okay. Okay. If you're at the $900 level, you can earn at the $900 level and below. Okay. And if you're at the 600, you can earn the 600 and below, right? So if you're at the 100, you only get one income stream. But if you're at the 1400, then you get 10 income streams. That's the difference. Okay. And yeah, so let me show you, like, so like, to get started, you purchase a program and you pay your website fee, and then you're all set. There's no monthly fees. Okay. And then you just go inside of your program. So this is your program. This is where you have access to your program inside of Kajabi. So you just go here, start here, you watch the videos. Like, what are you going to learn? Phase 1, CEO, mindset and clarity. Like, focus, becoming the leader of your business and setting it up for success. Okay. So this is going to be like, what is your desired outcome? What is your end goal? How to develop a winning mindset, your brand. What do you want to be known for? Your income earning activities, a 7-step framework for success. This is the kind of stuff you're going to be learning, plus much, much more. You're going to learn everything like I said, about how to build online businesses, digital marketing, multiple streams of income, stuff like that. Okay. High income skills is what you're going to be learning here. And then if you go back here, okay, we got like the certification training here is here. The bonuses are here. And one of the first things you want to do is you want to set up your website, right? Get your website set up. Okay. So this is going to show you the accounts you need to set up, right? Like, you want to set up these pages. If you want to resell these programs, you need these pages set up, right? So it's going to show you which accounts to set up. You just watch these videos. It's going to show you how to go to GoDaddy. Okay. So, because you need your own domain, like my domain is sevenfiguremonk.com, and there's a professional email address. Like you need an email address and a domain. Okay. You're going to learn how to become an entrepreneur here. You're going to learn how to become a business owner, because there's basically 2 ways to make money. You can be an employee, which means you're working for other people, you're building their business, or you can be an entrepreneur, which means you have your own business. Like, look at Amazon, right? Jeff Bezos makes like he's the creator of Amazon. He's made like he makes like $150 million a day. And then when you go at the bottom of that, like the bottom, like the person that's the lowest on like the totem pole of workers, they make like only $20 an hour. You see? So it pays. So if the wealthy people if the business owners are the ones making money, well, you should be a business owner. It just makes sense. This makes sense. Okay. And then you got to attach your payment gateways, and then, you connect your system. And then once you're finished, your system's going to basically look something like this. And then you're ready to go. Now you just got to promote your business, right? So let me also show you inside of our community. We got 57,000 people inside of our community. Okay. And yeah, so like, you just want to go here, introduce yourself. People post wins here. Okay. So look, Michelle made $1,400 while she was cooking this morning, guys. She made $1,400 while she was cooking, right? That's pretty cool. $1,400. I just made $1,400 the other day while I was just chilling out, right? So see, here's me. I made $1,400. That was a couple days ago. Let's refresh. Let's reload the latest ones. Okay. Let's reload the latest ones. Another $2,700 week in South Africa, guys. See, it's a global business. Okay. So you should see these. You should think like, if they can do it, I can do it. If they can do it, I can do it. If they can do it, I can do it. So they made 2,700 in a week, guys. That's huge. Okay. From 100 to 1,400 in 3 weeks. Boom. Right. These are just the wins from our community. And let me find some more. Scroll down. Now there's me again. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. You had another sale there. Let's go to the next page. See a couple more. My very first $1,400 sale. Boom. So you can see, you know, people are making money here. $1,700 had my biggest day so far. Boom. Okay. Woke up to 300. Okay. So you can see like we have so many pages of wins. We have like 30,000 pages of wins, and there's 30 posts per page. So that's proof that this business works. Okay. And if you go into the calendar, go into the classroom, we have all these other bonus trainings. Like we do these 90-day runs. Like we show you how to make 30K in 90 days. You just watch these little videos every day to help you with your mindset and to help you, you know, with your marketing strategy. And yeah, social media training, all this stuff we have. Okay. And then calendar shows you like, you know, the live events, like when's our next live event? Tomorrow, we got Millionaire Mentoring tomorrow. We got a free webinar that you can invite people to. Okay. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. So like I said, all you got to do is get started, set up your business one time, plug into the community, introduce yourself. You're following the 2-hour workday. You're posting content. You're going live. You're attracting customers. Okay. So if you have any questions, drop into the comments, and there's the link, like sevenfiguremonk.com. That link's in the description. It's in the bio. Okay. So yeah. So let me just show you like how I post content. Just give you some examples. Like I use different platforms. One platform that I use is YouTube. Okay. Let me just go over to YouTube. YouTube.
Do not get a consolidate.
Do not. Okay, whatever. See, that's marketing, guys. People are marketing left and right. Commercials, that's marketing, guys. That is marketed. Okay, so like I post all these videos, like I'm doing this long form video right now. Okay, long form video that I post, and I do short form videos, right? Short form videos are really easy, just talking videos. So it takes me like literally maybe like 5 minutes to record and post a short form video. But the one video can make you $600, $900, or $1,400 commissions, just one video. So why aren't you posting videos? If you can make $600, $900, or $1,400, like why aren't you posting videos? Like make it make sense, because I just don't really get it. It doesn't make sense to me. It really doesn't. I don't really understand it. Like if people are struggling financially, but they're not like trying this kind of stuff, I just don't really understand that. Doesn't make sense to me. So my live videos are here as well. And then I have posts, like you can also do like these written posts. Like here, I'm just sharing a win inside of the community. Okay, I create these little images with AI, with ChatGPT mostly. So I create these images, and then I have captions and stuff with words, which I also use AI to help me create this stuff. And then I edit it. Like if I want to edit it, I edit it like that. Okay, so that's it. I showed you everything. I gave you the keys to the kingdom. Now you just got to decide if you want to, you know, at least check out the business. See, the worst thing that will happen with this business is either you're going to, like, the worst thing that could possibly happen is you learn something new. Okay. That's the worst possible thing. The best thing that could happen is you go on and make 6 and 7 figures and you live a life of complete freedom. So, you know, it's up to you. Just go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the description. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. If you know someone who's looking for legitimate ways to make money online, make sure to share this video with them. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. God